tunnel caves that you can walk through, and it's really cool.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go behind a waterfall, a little one.
Yeah, we're about to.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Welcome to Watkins Glen. Let's go take a look.
That person has the exact same camera.
Oh yeah. Here we go.
Ooh, it does feel better in here though.
It's like 95 degrees outside.
Yeah, it feels a lot better in here. Here, get on this side. This is really, yeah, it's cool.
This is so cool.
It feels cool temperature-wise as well as awesome.
Is this a tunnel or a cave?
Tunnel.
It's both.
Well,
It's like a cave tunnel.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
That was cool. Oh, we're going in there. When it's so scary. How are you so fast? I love that waterfall and that tree. Water is thin and not easy at all. And you can't walk on top of it. Walking on top or walking on top.
Okay, who wants to jump?
Not me.
I don't know. How about you jump?
Okay.
very nice and cool.
It's awesome. And there's like a tunnel caves that you can walk through, and it's really cool.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go behind a waterfall, a little one.
Yeah, we're about to.
Let's go.
Yeah.
It's high, and you can feel a breeze. I touched the water on the waterfall.
This is like an old castle, like a creepy treasure hunting movie.
Yeah. I like it. That is fun. I love.
I want to go on that bridge.
No.
Yes.
I'm going.
Yeah, let's do it.
Cave. Come on. There's a cave.
But it's a kid. Yeah.
That last one was the coolest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The first one was good to go too. I can't wait to go down it, because then it would be like done.
Mommy, that last one was freaking me out.
It's freaking. That's the stairs.
Stairs.
Time for a rest. This place is cool.
Wait, what's your
Yeah.
big mansion that?
Elevator, come to me.
I agree with you too.
Oh boy, that's cool.
Another heart.
Yeah. It's so interesting how it's just out of nowhere. It's this really deep hole.
This is a flat one. We need to go back there to the Watkins Glen Stake Park.
This looks like a what?
It's lava. Don't step on the lava.
It feels better like instantly when you get in these little caves.
Yeah, it does.
I don't. This is the lava. Oh man.
Saying the water looks so clear, I want to swim in it.
Yeah, let's take a look. Actually, let's go jump in.
Yeah.
I think I'll pass on this one.
Deep.
Yeah.
Yeah, can we go? We're ready to go.
Yeah, they're ready to be done. Not me, I want to go forever.
Okay, bye.
Oh no! Running. Oh, when is this going to end? I think it just keeps going forever.
Are you having a good time?
Yeah, because I'm sawing this into a ball shape.
Okay. I think this is where we turn around.
Long. Before I'm there for that. And before. I use mine.
Alice needs a little break.
Yep.
This is the return trail, not quite as exciting.
Well, I think it's going to go the suspension bridge though, and that is exciting.
Yeah, we'll see.
That's the one that's like way up high and looks
Oh, she's too little. Wait, I'm gonna make a cocktail.
Did they give you butterflies, Michael?
Nope.
That's me. I think it's awesome.
Find our way home. Which one should we pick?
Okay, Esther.
Esther brought her Calico Critter catalog with her.
Have a calico critter obsession.
We have
Who
this.
carries that in their pocket? Sydney, do you want calico critters?
I want to get that house. I'll get that house. That house.
I want the one with the jacuzzi.
That
The
house.
lakeside lodge has a
That
jacuzzi in
house.
it.
That.
I'll let your future husband know.
I want.
Baseball so they can
No, let's.
Almost there. Well, we're done.
Yes.
Yeah.
We did it.
Yeah. And I have to go pause.
Yep.
I did get bubbles.
Yeah, we're gonna get bubbles.
Bye.
Like
Bye.
bubbles that you blow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye. We'll see you next time.
Bye.